I planted my chocolate mint, the little two that I did find. My lemongrass over here. My onion leeks here. And I got some garlic over there. So we doing a little gardening back here, trying to finish up. He out here making his own personal garden. And I'm just gardening, surrounding this. So this is Sugar Babe's daughter's gardening. Been out here working hard. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I have different kinds of basils. I didn't even know it was that many kinds. I think basil, yeah, different kinds of basil. I got the Thai basil, the purple basil. Whew. This is supposed to be Thai. I don't know how Thai that is, but it's Thai basil. I guess it is because it grows flowers. This is in the beginning stages. This is when it starts blooming its flowers. And these right here are purple. And this is the organic sweet basil. And it's without the purple. That's the sweet basil. I gotta nurse these back to life. I gotta find somewhere to put them. Maybe I'll put them there. The they sure are pretty. And it'll get sunlight. Because I think the purple basil, what it requires. Full sun, 6+ hours, 12 to 18 inch apart. I guess I put the purple basils right there in the walkway. I just gotta find where I'm gonna put my lavender. Cause these are drying out because they're not in the soil. My soil is moist. I've been digging for a minute. I know I don't have the proper shoes on. The farther I dig, I can break up certain type of weeds, roots. I think that'll be pretty right on the corner. Put it right on the corners.